Hi everyone, welcome to Cryptera. I hope all of you are doing well. And this video is gonna be all about Ethereum upgrades and Ethereum 2.0. So this is a more fundamental inclined video, but I personally feel that it is very important for you guys to understand the fundamentals along with the technicals because it will give you confidence to hold your coins, to hold your tokens in such a bear market. Because if you do not have the confidence, if you do not have the knowledge of why you're holding a particular token, you will end up selling them. And these market volatilities can be very harmful for you because you will not be able to hodl them until and unless you have a better understanding about the coin. So we'll talk about Ethereum upgrade because we have Ethereum testnet merge which is set, which is a great news for Ethereum. And in case the market rallies, Ethereum is going to be one of the coins which can rally very quickly. So we'll talk about all the concepts. So right now we know that each coin has its own blockchain. If we talk about Bitcoin has its own Bitcoin blockchain. If we talk about Ethereum has Ethereum blockchain. If we talk about Solana has Solana blockchain. And these blockchains are independent of each other, but they work on a consensus algorithm. If we talk about Bitcoin, it works on proof of work. That means you will have to use some computational power and then you will be able to mine new Bitcoins into this world as a reward. Similarly, Ethereum used to work on the same mechanism, and right now also Ethereum works on proof of work as well. But the thing is, the Vitalik Buterin, the founder of Ethereum, he is much more inclined towards proof of stake because it is much more environmental friendly and at the same time it's much more secure. So this gives you an opportunity to move from proof of work to proof of stake, and that's the whole idea about the upgrade. So there are different concepts associated to Ethereum 2.0. We have beacon chains, we have sharding, we have proof of stake, and we have the merge, which is the biggest thing. So we have all these different concepts. We'll not try to cover everything right now, but we will have a gist of everything. So we'll start with the beacon chain. So beacon chain is a new chain at its core of the new Ethereum, and it's already live and launched back in 2020. And this upgrade brought the proof of stake consensus mechanism. So right now beacon chain exists separately from the main Ethereum network that we use today, but holders can already stake their Ethereum on the beacon chain but cannot currently do anything else. That means you have your Ethereum main chain, you have a beacon chain. On the beacon chain you can stake your Ethereum because it works on proof of stake, and on Ethereum main chain you will be working as a proof of work consensus algorithm. So there are two things that are happening in Ethereum right now. One is the proof of stake, the other one is proof of work. Now there is this concept that you should know that in case your coin works on proof of work consensus algorithms such as Bitcoin, you will never be able to stake them because they work on proof of work and not proof of stake. On the other hand, if there is this coin which works on proof of stake, like most DeFi projects, you will be able to stake them and you will earn some APY out of it. So in case of Ethereum can be mined because it works on proof of stake as well because of the main chain. And if we talk about beacon chain, it will give you an opportunity to stake Ethereum. So if you go to any platforms, be it Binance or any other DeFi platforms, you will see that you have an option to stake Ethereum because of these beacon chains. But eventually what will happen is the Ethereum main chain and the beacon chain, these will be merged. And this is the whole concept of merging. You have two different chains which will eventually combine and become one. So these two chains will be merged and the Ethereum main chain will be connected to the beacon chain. And once the merge is complete, Ethereum will no longer use the proof of work and it will only work on proof of stake. And this is something which you should know because if you are a miner and if you mine a lot of Ethereums, if you are into Ethereum mining will no longer exist for you because it will no longer work on proof of work, but it will shift to proof of stake. So now if you want to earn some Ethereum, if you want to earn Ethereum as reward, you will have to stake them. Now, when the main Ethereum network has merged with the beacon chain, the next update will introduce what's known as the shard chains to the network. So we know about what is beacon chain. It's providing you the proof of stake concept. We know what is staking. Now, if we talk about shard chains, this is something which is yet to come. But in a very simple line, in a nutshell, I'll say that shard chains are just a smaller version of the blockchains. Say a blockchain is divided into smaller shards which can connect with each other, but it increases the chances of scalability. However, there are some cons to it, such as it is easy to hack, but at the same time it's increasing the scalability. So let's see how it works. But yes, this is something which is being implemented or which is going to be implemented on Ethereum. Now, Staking is the key to Ethereum's upgrade, and if you have Ethereum, you can already stake it on the beacon chain to help secure the network and earn more Ethereum as a reward. So staking can be done through Ethereum staking launchpads or by joining the staking pools. So to become a full validator, a full Ethereum validator, you will need to stake 32 Ethereum. But if you don't want to stake that much, you can join a staking pool where you can stake less and earn a percentage reward. So there are different platforms which give you this opportunity, such as Lido, Aave, Venus Protocol. So all these are dApps, which are decentralized applications. But if you have Binance, and I feel most of you will be using Binance, they already give you an option to stake Ethereum and earn a good APY. So I'll tell you how that is being done. So this is the Binance platform in front of me. So if you go to earn, you will have this option of staking. If you click on staking, you will be immediately taken to this particular page where you have two options. One is the locked staking, other one is the DeFi staking. If you go on the DeFi staking and you scroll down a bit, you will see that you have Ethereum and the estimated APY for it is 10.12%. And if you talk about the duration of your staking, it can either be flexible or it can be 120 days. So you do not have any other options like 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, or say 1 year. You can stake Ethereum for 120 days only. And you also have this option of flexible staking or flexible locked staking. If you click on that, you have APY of just 1.5%. And since Ethereum is a very, very strong fundamental coin, I would rather go for 120 days duration, but it's totally up to you which one you want to choose. If you want to say exit the staking in a shorter span of time, so you can go for the flexible lock as well. So now if you click on stake now, you will be immediately taken to the screen. And something to note here is that the APY is adjusted daily based on the on-chain staking rewards, and the specific APY is subject to the page displayed on the day. So that means it is estimated APY. That means it's not a specific thing that you will certainly get 10.12%. It can be plus minus few percentage as well. So that is something that you need to understand. Now, if you talk about Ethereum, I'm going for the lock staking, which has only one option, which is 120 days. I will enter Ethereum, and from the bottom data, you can see that you will have to at least stake 0.001 Ethereum. So this is a new wallet which I created just now for this video. But what you can do is you can possibly enter the number of Ethereum that you have, or maybe 0.5 Ethereum or say 0.02 Ethereum. If you want to stake them, you can enter the value, and what you can do is you can just click on yes, I accept the terms and conditions, and you click on confirm, and you will have your Ethereum staked, which will be visible in your Binance account itself. So I hope you understood about Ethereum upgrades, Ethereum 2.0, and what are the things that are happening with Ethereum and how you can stake and earn some rewards. So this is something which you can understand, and we have the testnet merger on June 8. So this is something which can be bullish. Now, what does testnet mean? Testnet is just kind of a prototype of a merge. So that means, for example, if you want to build a car, you cannot directly build it. You will have to create a prototype. That means you will have to make a dummy, and then you will test things on it, and then you will go live. Similarly, you have two things. One is the testnet, one is mainnet. So first of all, you will have to launch testnet. You will merge both the chains. You will see if everything is running fine, if the blockchain as a whole is running fine. If everything is doing well, you will move towards the mainnet and it will go live. And then we will have only one concept of proof of stake for Ethereum, and proof of work will no longer exist for it. And that's how the things will move. So I hope you love this video. If you feel that fundamentals and technicals both are equally important, you can join a channel, and you can like this video if you loved it. Thank you so much guys for joining, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.